This is our third Unity and Kindness Day, and it's because of all of you. Not only you that come to visit and share at each of the booths, but for those of you who donate your time and your energy, your enthusiasm, and your love for one another. It's all about community here, and that's really saying a lot for an academic center.
As you look around, you see people from all of the various different areas of our health system coming together to learn more about our shared humanity, about compassion, and then this year, specifically focusing on environmental justice.
It is our opportunity to bring about a better world through constructive dialogue, even talking about hard things, working through difficult situations. Unity and kindness is our opportunity to transcend that by really celebrating what brings us together, what makes us human.
We are inviting people to think about what actions they'll take in their personal life to drive climate change, and then to write or draw a postcard sharing those actions.
This is just another opportunity to get out here at UCLA Health among our fellow coworkers and expose who we are and tell everybody about these wonderful programs here and just how much we follow that same mantra of unity and kindness.
We're really excited to be a part of the event and celebrate our community as well.
We're here to learn, to connect, and to become more sustainable, resilient, and environmentally just as a health system.
To see this level of engagement and happiness with people just coming together and being grateful for each other's company and the things we do together is what it's all about. It actually gives us a minute to pause and really just be thankful for what we have here. We have a very special place at UCLA Health, and I think this is an opportunity for us to appreciate that.